I would tell them to definitely apply, even if they don't know anything about the topics that we're discussing and, getting taught here. But just apply. You will find things that resonate with you or that interest you. And overall, it's a great experience for just learning more about things that you could use in your daily life, but also in your professional life.
Actually, data is not only for data journalism and fake news debunking and so on. What I saw this week was actually a gathering of a lot of people, like numerous profile of young people that just are very, very interested in it. Data is just all around us, so it's actually concerning everyone. So what I would say is just like, if ever you are interested in data, just go for it. Where you don't have to be or want to be journalist actually.
I would say that whatever your background is, we live in a world where data, information, disinformation, and misinformation, etc., is going to affect you. So whatever you plan on doing with your life, this is a good skill set to have.
The chance to broaden my horizon because I've never been in Poland, I guess, and the chance to network with different people.
Critical thinking and just overall checking if things are correct, who made them, why did they make them, and just overall maybe even doubting some things you read or see online or hear about, and not just assuming things from other people or articles, and overall being more conscious about the things that you read or see or hear.
My biggest takeaway from this week is that I learned how to search and find information that is not on the surface and that might have been overlooked before.
This week actually helped me a lot. And so, I mean on specific tools and very technical, so yeah, it was a big takeaway. And then I would say also that this week enabled us, as for me at least, to meet very impressive people and very nice people. We kind of got along and built up some relationships. Maybe they will last in the future, at least for maybe networking or for friendship.
Direct, informative, focused.
Welcoming, adventurous, and really intensive.
Practice, friendship, and science.
Opportunistic, futuristic, interesting.